Hi everyone, welcome back to Fembot IT. My name is Julie, and today's video is part 2 of the series for connecting your on-prem environment and your VPCs. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe if you love it, and let's get into it. So today's video is on Direct Connect Essentials, and I did a previous video on VPN Essentials, and it's important to know the difference when you would use one over the other for your AWS Certified Solutions Architect exam. So let's go over a couple of Direct Connect Essentials. This is going to be a PowerPoint slide only because it's a little bit out of scope to show you how to set up a Direct Connect, just with my Fembot IT environment. So the first thing and the most important thing to remember, especially for the exam, and you want to look for this word on the exam questions, is dedicated. So anytime you see a question that says anything about a dedicated network connection, that's most likely going to be a Direct Connect connection. Direct Connect provides a dedicated network connection between your on-prem environment and your VPC and also the AWS public zone. So one of the great things about a Direct Connect connection is it reduces your network costs because your data transferred out over Direct Connect is billed at a lower rate, but you have to remember that there is a port charge for your Direct Connect port that you'll also have to take into your calculations, but overall it's lower than your VPN. It also provides increased network consistency and dedicated private connection that reduces your latency. And so what we mean by that is, so with a route that is not using Direct Connect, for example, a VPN, your connection has to pop through all of these different network links, right? So every network link that you pop through is going to have different throughput and latency issues. But with Direct Connect, you have a direct, dedicated connection between your on-prem environment and your AWS environment. Direct Connect also takes months to set up versus VPN, which literally takes minutes. If you watch our previous video, you'll see that you can have your VPN set up running in just minutes. And also another important, you might see this on your exam, is Direct Connect connection is unencrypted, and VPN obviously is encrypted. So there's just a couple of steps to set up your Direct Connect connection, and here's an example of what it looks like. You have your on-prem environment, your customer gateway that connects to a Direct Connect location of your choosing, and you actually have to have a Direct Connect port and a route in this location that then will connect you to your Direct Connect gateway and then your environment. So the first thing that you need to decide when you're setting up your Direct Connect is what type of speed connection you want, and you can have 1 gigabit or 10 gigabit or even less. If you have less than 1 gigabit, that's a hosted zone or hosted connection. So the first thing you need to do is pick your region, select your AWS Direct Connect location, and then you'll submit a request along with the port speed and the physical requirements like single node fiber. You might see single node fiber on the exam, so that's important to know. And then you also have to have a router that works with BGP, so you have to have a BGP router. And that's really all I wanted to cover in this video. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you next time.